Well, nearly 1 in every 4 American adults who get COVID-19 end up suffering from long COVID. But a brand new study found Oklahoma has the highest rate in the country.
News 4's Tanner DeLeon spoke with a medical expert about why Oklahoma is on the top of this list. Tanner.
Well, according to the study, Oklahoma has a whopping 34% of adults suffering from long COVID. The dean of the Hudson College of Public Health says it's due to multiple things, but one reason stands above all others.
Patients who are not vaccinated have a greater risk of getting COVID-19 long-term symptoms.
Dale Bratzler says Oklahoma has one of the lowest vaccination rates in the country, which is a big reason why Oklahoma leads the nation in long COVID.
And in Oklahoma, we had pretty low vaccination rates, so we had high rates of COVID. We had the second highest death rate in the nation from COVID-19.
Long COVID is defined as long-term symptoms lasting more than 28 days, and those who aren't vaccinated aren't the only ones at a greater risk.
People who are chronically ill, particularly people with obesity, diabetes, chronic lung disease, heart disease, high blood pressure, which is a big population in Oklahoma.
Bratzler says they aren't exactly sure what causes long COVID, but there are 3 prevailing theories they have.
The first is that in some people the virus persists. There have been autopsy studies that show that if somebody even recovers from COVID-19 and then subsequently die of some other reason, you can still find the COVID virus in many of their tissues, including the brains.
The second is that it overstimulates the immune system, resulting in joint pain, fevers, and other things. And the third is
it appears that in some people it becomes almost a gut disease. It affects the microbiome.
While research on long COVID continues, Bratzler says one thing is for certain: being vaccinated helps.
We have very good drugs to treat COVID with now. They're underutilized, but they can reduce long-term symptoms by, again, reducing the severity of the illness of COVID-19.
Bratzler says there are a variety of clinics across Oklahoma who are doing studies and participating in clinic trials on long COVID. He advises those who are experiencing persistent symptoms, to seek out those clinical centers because they can help.